In the heart of Mecca, during Hajj, believers from around the world gathered, unified by faith in Allah. Among them were Amal from Algeria and Yasser from Malaysia, strangers drawn to perform their spiritual journey. Amal was overwhelmed by the crowd around the Kaaba. Yasser noticed his struggle with the language barrier and greeted him warmly, offering help with the rituals. Amal was grateful for Yasser's offer. Together, they moved through each rite, starting with the tawaf, circling the Kaaba, feeling peace and unity and tracing the steps of millions before them. As they progressed to the Sa'i, between Safa and Marwa, they shared stories of their homelands and dreams, becoming companions through their pilgrimage. They stood together through the intense heat of Arafat, praying for forgiveness and guidance, learning from each other's traditions and exchanging cultural wisdom. One evening, after the stoning of the Jamarat, they sat beneath the stars, reflecting on their journey. Amal spoke of unity, and Yasser agreed, citing a Quranic verse on unity. When their pilgrimage ended, they parted ways but exchanged contact information, promising to stay in touch. Their faith deepened, and an unexpected friendship was forged. The moral of the story is that true unity and brotherhood in Islam transcend cultural and linguistic barriers, reminding believers they are part of one ummah, united in faith and compassion.